Forgotten username recovery failed on SoFi Invest App Fix. If you've tried to recover your SoFi Invest username and hit a wall, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping an important verification step. The surprising truth is that regaining access is easier than you think if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the SoFi Invest app or visit the login page. Then tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. SoFi will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Many users miss the recovery email because it gets filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information such as your full name, phone number, and recent account activity. Contact SoFi support directly with these details. Providing a link phone number can help speed up verification and get you back in faster. Step 4. Once you recover your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection and reduces the risk of future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your SoFi Invest account efficiently. Remember, proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your investments safe and accessible.